Hello and welcome. I am Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. Today we delve deep into risk matters, which is very important for your continuous business growth. Do you want to foresee the risks that may derail your business goals? Or do you wish you had a tool to help you plan your next strategic move? If yes, then you need a risk matrix. Understanding and implementing a risk matrix can be a game changer for your business. Ready to dive in?
1. Understanding the fundamentals of a risk matrix. A risk matrix is also known as a probability and impact matrix. It is a powerful tool that helps in identifying, assessing, and prioritizing different risks based on their severity and the chances of their occurrence. 2. The importance of a risk matrix in business management. Risk matrix is not just a tool, it's your shield in the battlefield of business management. It helps you anticipate potential risks and prepare a robust response strategy. 3. Step-by-step guide on how to develop a risk matrix. Creating a risk matrix can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it can be quite straightforward. A step-by-step guide to help you develop an effective risk matrix. They identify, categorize, assign severity and likelihood, plot the risks, develop response, and review and update. 4. Key components of a successful risk matrix. Creating a risk matrix is a strategic task that requires careful thinking and planning. Remember, a successful risk matrix is not just about identifying and assessing risks, but also about managing them effectively. Including these components in your risk matrix will provide a robust risk management tool that supports strategic decision-making and promotes business sustainability. 5. Utilizing risk matrix for effective risk assessment. In the world of business, risk takes many forms. But with a risk matrix, you can simplify the process of identifying, analyzing, and managing these risks. As your organization changes, so too will your risks. Regularly update your risk matrix to ensure it reflects the current state of your organization. 6. Case study. Successful implementation of risk matrix in enterprises. CME Corporation, a global leader in tech and innovation, faced mounting risks due to its rapid expansion and diverse operations. To manage and mitigate these risks, the company decided to incorporate a risk matrix in its strategic planning process. By implementing a risk matrix, the company was able to focus on high-impact risks and allocate resources more effectively. 7. Mistakes to avoid when creating a risk matrix. Creating a risk matrix can be a complex process, and thus, it's not uncommon for businesses to stumble upon a few hurdles. Here are some common mistakes: oversimplifying, ignoring low probability, not updating, no involvement of key stakeholders, and confusing risk appetite. 8. Risk matrix versus other risk assessment tools. A comparative study. How does the risk matrix compare to other risk assessment tools? A risk matrix is a visual tool that enables you to quantify and prioritize risks according to their likelihood and impact. Alternatives to the risk matrix include tools like risk registers, SWOT analysis, failure modes and effects analysis, FMEA, and more. 9. The role of a risk matrix in strategic planning. Whether you are running an international corporation or a small local business, strategic planning is a crucial part of your work. By incorporating it into your strategic planning process, you can enhance your risk management, make more informed decisions, and ultimately drive your business toward success. 10. Future trends. The evolution of risk matrix in a digitized age. With technological advancements significantly reshaping the business landscape, the traditional risk matrix is also evolving to meet the demands of the digital age. The future of the risk matrix lies in its integration with digital solutions, enhancing its efficiency and accuracy in risk assessment. In conclusion, a risk matrix is an essential tool for effective risk management. By quantifying the potential impacts and probabilities of risks, organizations can make informed decisions and prepare strategies to mitigate these risks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest business tools and strategies.